Hi! In front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on display. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!